on the Facebook page, it says to drive slow down this driveway. Sur la page de Facebook, ça dit de venir pas aller vite. So they think they do logging, and they do. I think he has a garage, and it looks like he's got storage, but I don't know. I don't know if he does storage, but so yes, my local people, Swintons on Route 22.
Can't beat it. $25 for a tree. The price never goes up. He said, never will. Gorgeous land, beautiful, beautiful out here.
How many acres did he tell you?
265 acres.
275 ancrages. Puis c'est 25 piastres, puis ça. Yeah, because some of these tree farms, you know me, people, I'm thrifty, and some of these farms, it's like $50 to $75, maybe even more. Il y a des femmes qui chargent au-dessus de 50 à 75 piastres. So, there it is. Christmas trees. $25. Cut your own. Les arbres de Noël, coupe toi-même, 25 piastres. So, buy from Mooers, New York. So, they're the Mooers, New York.